guys, and let's start this tour from the master suite. Do we call it master suite or suite? Okay, English is not my primary language, so it's the master suite. What do you think? I think it looks amazing. And then next we are heading to clock room. This is how it looks like. This is where you see all he places the clock and something. I don't know what he uses for. I will ask later. And then let's head to another place. And now we are heading to the bath place where you take the bath. This is how it looks like. This is where you take the bath. Then there is the mirror. You can look at yourself when you're done. Let's head out. And now we are entering into the guest bedroom. So a guest like me will just sleep here. There's some teddy bear. This is how it looks like. Maybe I will sleep here tonight. Who knows? Just kidding. She will not allow me to do that. Let's head out. And now we are entering into the integrated guest and meal. This is where if you are a guest and you are on the other side, you come here, and this is the balcony, so you can step out, and then this is the whole area. As a guest, this is your entire place. You can watch TV and dine here. Okay, yeah, so let's head out to another place. And now we are entering into the bath place for guests. If you are a guest, you want to take a bath, this is where you take the bath. It looks like this. What do you think? Isn't it amazing? Okay, now let's come back and let's go to another place. And now we are entering into the kitchen. This is where all the meals are cooked. So they cook the meals here to give it to the guests or for themselves. Okay, let's head out. Now let's go to the multifunctional room. This is where the multifunctional, it looks like this, and this is the e-sport corner. And in the multifunctional room you have the laundry area. So this is where you do your laundry. Okay, now let's head out to the guest room or sitting room, and then we have the glass to ceiling window. Peace out. This is it for today.